Okay, good morning, students. Today we'll be going through HBL practice paper 2. Now let's start with our section A, 15 MCQ questions. Now question number 1, which of the following animals are classified correctly? Okay, for option A, duck. Now duck, we know that it's a bird, so this is wrong. For option B, spider. Spider, it has 8 legs, so it is not an insect. Now eagle is a bird, so it's correct, and bear is a mammal, and that's correct. So the answer will be 4, C and D. Now question number 2. The diagrams below show how some objects were grouped. So the objects in the diagrams above are grouped according to their color. That's answer number 3. You can see that on the left side, these are all shaded. Right, you see like dark gray in color, whereas this side, they are not colored at all. Okay, next. Question number 3. Sally placed 2 things, so we have 2 things here, X and Y, into 2 jars. She also placed an amount of food of the same type in each jar. So what we understand so far, there are 2 jars. Inside there are 2 things, X and Y, separated. She also placed this amount of food of the same type into the jars. Alright, so she then makes some observations of X and Y as shown. So for X, it moves slowly, it feeds on the food, and it grew bigger. Now from this point and this point, we know that X is a living thing. Now looking at Y, it does not move, the food was untouched. So that means it isn't feeding, and there's no change in size, that means it's not growing. So we can say that it is a non-living thing. So which one of the following most possibly is X and Y respectively? So X is a living thing, a caterpillar. Y is a non-living thing, and it is a rock. So option 2 will be correct. Now if you look at the other options, there is no other options that tell us X is a living thing and Y is a non-living thing. Alright, so answer is 2. Question number 4. Now Kumar placed 2 caterpillars in a jar with some leaves as shown in the diagram. Now after 2 days, what would most likely happen to the number of leaves and also the caterpillars? Now from here, we know that caterpillars, they are living things and they need to feed, they need to eat. Alright, and we know that they eat the leaves. Alright, so we can safely say that the number of leaves will have to decrease. Right? So this will be correct and this will be correct. And for the number of caterpillars, after only 2 days, they should be the same. Alright, so the best option will be 2. Now some of y'all may be asking, will the number of caterpillars increase? Now they will only increase if there's reproduction, alright, of caterpillars. But in these 2 days, it's very unlikely. Alright. Okay, next. The reason is because there's no eggs, alright, for new caterpillars to grow.